Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Classic with 42,979 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers, a JVC head unit, radio and speaker trim, 15-inch handlebars, grips, mirrors, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, LED turn signals, an LED taillight, saddlebag guards, front fender trim, rider floorboards, a brake pedal, docking hardware, a windshield and windshield spikes, axle caps, fuel door cover, and custom graphics. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA has a 210 to 280 mile range. It has a 30.7-inch seat height and an 889-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this ELECTRA will need a DOT-compliant license plate light and a quieter exhaust. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts properly, but the suspension is chafed due to the right shock leaking. Our technician noted that the right rear shock, the shift shaft seal, and outer primary have oil seeps. The radio has poor reception and no visible antenna. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, and a tear in the rider's seat, a gouge on the saddlebag, and scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.